Things I left behind in 2022. I left a bad boyfriend. I left a habit. I left a bad job. This year, 2023, I left everything bad. I wanted to do action. Now you are in the place where you were born. Tomorrow you are going somewhere else. After you can do something. If you are over 20 years old and you don't have skill, you are wasted. You are wasted. Get up and learn skill because you have nothing. You have nothing. If you go to another country, you're nothing. Yes, you are force man, you're a strong man, but you don't have skill. You don't have any skill. If you learn some skill, you are boss. But you not learn some skill, you are porter. Because you not learn skill. What is skill? Skill as web designer, video editing, graphic designer, videographer, photographer, and so on. Now stand up, you learn some skill because still you have a chance. Still you have a chance. If you are learn one skill, you are precious man. You are confident man. You are a strong man. You are valuable man. You are well educated man. Important title. How many languages do you speak? 1, 2, 3. How many? If you speak multiple language, you are good. But if you speak one language, you are lost. Then another language is fine. Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day, please. That's a third of. If you live it until ever 24 hours in a day, cannot be sleep 8 hours a day. You cannot live in layer and wake up 8 in the morning. At 11 o'clock on the east coast, the stock market been open. 2 hours, the already market decision is about your life and your ass was asleep. So goodbye.